Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to have you back. Today I decided while being quarantined because of the COVID-19 virus that I would go ahead and cut a stencil on my silhouette and take it to my bandsaw and cut it into a template. So basically I just went to my silhouette software and created what I wanted to cut out. I cut it out on my Silhouette Cameo 3 and used transfer tape and positioned it onto a piece of 1/4" MDF. I will go ahead and make a video on that at another time, so make sure you subscribe and tune in later to find that video. So instead of you guys just sitting here listening to the bandsaw do its job, I will tell you a little story about this bandsaw. So I designed a t-shirt and I posted it on my Facebook, and I had a friend reach out to me saying that she wanted to buy one. And so I made her the shirt and went and delivered it to her, and we got to talking about all my art and how much she absolutely loves all the stuff that I do. And I visited for probably about an hour and a half and then went home, and I wasn't home maybe 2 hours, and I got a message from her on Facebook asking me if I had a bandsaw, and I said no, but that I would absolutely love to have one, and it'll have to be a piece of equipment that I will have to wait and earn with sales of my other stuff. So in saying that, she responded by saying, well, I have one that I don't use that I would like to give to you, and I want it to go to somebody that I know would really benefit from it and that will make some incredible things with it. So not only did she give me the bandsaw, but she also gave me a router and a kit, a wooden case that had a bunch of router bits in it, as well as a disc and belt sander, as well as a mini jointer. So, oh my goodness, I am so ecstatic, and I have never ever used a bandsaw before, or a jointer before, or the disc sander before, but you know, just like with everything, I've taught myself how to use them, or watched multiple videos, or called my daddy. My daddy's always there for good advice. So anyway, I just figured, doing it this way would be so much better, first off, for our environment, that I'm not wasting a bunch of vinyl constantly every time I want to do another one of these, or if I get orders for multiple of these. I don't want to have to go back and cut out another piece of vinyl and use more transfer tape. And so one and done, I can just cut it out on this bandsaw one time, and then I just take the template to whatever I'm going to be doing and trace it onto it. And at the end of this video, you will see what I actually created with these stencils. So you can probably see that the vinyl is the white part, and I'm not necessarily cutting out on the white part, because a Silhouette Cameo 3 only will cut a width of 12 inches. It will cut a longer length, but only a width of 12. And so the project that I was currently working on, I wanted it to be larger than the 12 inches. So I just, once I put the vinyl onto the 1/4" MDF, I traced a line about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch past the outside of the vinyl stencil, just to make it a little bit bigger. You'll see me having to move in so many different directions, because where the arm of the bandsaw is to where the blade is doesn't allow me to to turn in certain directions, or the horns will hit the little arm there that you see on the left side of your screen, or left side of the video anyway. So just taking short passes to do the best that I can without hitting that arm. Boy, I'll have lots of scraps for my box of scraps. Almost finishing up here. And then once I'm done and clean it up a little bit, I just pull that vinyl stencil off and I'm good to go. And you will see the finished product in a short second here. So here's the final template, and here is what I made with the heart template. And here is what I made with the steer head template. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and come back for more videos. Thank you.